Hello everyone, welcome to my CAD/CAM channel. Today I will show you how to create a 3D model from the existing 2D drawing with the help of FreeCAD tools like Extrude, Hole, Polar Pattern, Groove, Subtractive Loft, Additive Loft and Pocket. This is the exercise for today that we need to convert this 2D drawing into 3D solid part. As you know, there are several ways or steps to create this 3D solid part. Here you find the steps and the tools that I used to convert this 2D drawing into 3D solid part. We finalize this exercise in 8 steps. In step 1, we sketch half of the section and create a solid part with the help of the revolution tool. Activate the sketch tool and select the XZ plane. First, create roughly the shape of the profile and then put the dimensions later. Next, assign the dimensions to the sketch. Now select the sketch and activate the revolution tool and then select the rotation axis. In step 2, we add chamfers to the created part according to the drawing. Select the edges and activate the chamfer tool and then set the parameters. In step 3, we create a hole with a diameter of 5 mm. Select the circle's surface and then activate the hole tool. Select the option Depth Type Through All and set the diameter to 5 mm. In step 4, we sketch the cutout profile and then we remove material from the created solid part with the help of the Groove tool. Activate the sketch tool and select the XZ plane. Choose this tool to extract the reference edges. Now, the sketch is fully constrained. Now select the sketch and activate the Groove tool and then select the rotation axis. Let us add a fillet with a radius of 1 mm to the groove edges. In step 5, we create a hole with a diameter of 16 mm and a depth of 5 mm. Select the circle's surface again and then activate the Hole tool. Set the diameter to 16 mm and the depth to 5 mm. Click OK to confirm. In step 6, we remove material from the right side of the created part. Select the right side of the circle's surface again and then activate the Sketch tool. Activate the Centered Rectangle tool and sketch the rectangle on the vertical axis. As you see, our sketch is full constrained. Select the sketch and activate the Pocket tool and then set the depth to 5 mm. Don't forget to like and subscribe the video. In step 7, we remove material from the created part with the help of Subtractive Pipe and Polar Pattern tools. First, we create the path and then the profile. Activate the Sketch tool and then select the XZ plane. Use Polyline tool to sketch the path for sweep. Press the letter M more times till you see the proper curve. Assign the dimensions. Extract the reference edge. Now, we sketch the circular profile. Select the circular surface and activate the Sketch tool. The sketch is full constrained, then close the sketch. First, select the profile and the path, sketches, and then activate the Subtractive Pipe tool. Next, select the Subtractive Pipe and then activate the Polar Pattern tool. Set the number of grooves to 14. The last step is to create the gears. Select the circle's surface again and then activate the Sketch tool. Select the sketch and activate the Extrude tool. Select the option up to face and then select the face. Next, we sketch the front face of the gear. The inner and the outer radius of the gear are 15 and 18 millimeters. Sketch the gear curve with a radius of 20 millimeters. Select the curve and activate the Symmetry tool and then select the Symmetry axis. Remove unnecessary curves with the Trim tool. Click Close to exit the fully constrained sketch. Next, we copy the sketch and then paste it to the body. Move the copy sketch under the body. Now, we translate the copy sketch to the rear. Change the angle to 16 degrees. Select both sketches and then activate the Additive Loft tool. Next, select the Additive Loft and then activate the Polar Pattern tool. The rotation axis is correct. Now set the occurrences to 14. That is for today. Follow the other videos to learn more about FreeCAD. See you in the next video. Please subscribe, like, and share the video. Thank you for watching.